watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Summer in Michigan, gotta love it. A lot of heat, a lot of humidity. Got more of it coming our way tomorrow and then relief later in the work week. Tonight, Storm Track Live. Dry across West Michigan. You notice a couple of sprinkles popping up here over the open waters. A lot of that probably not hitting the ground. I don't expect much for precip tonight. The one thing a couple of computer models are picking up on is this batch of showers turning into thunderstorms here west of Chicago. I think a lot of that is going to slide south of the state line. You'll see this in the 24-hour forecast. The models have it off by about 50 miles, I think. Most of us stay totally dry tonight is the bottom line of what I'm saying. It will be hot and sticky. We've got shower storms up to the west of the Red River Valley. These are tracking southeast, getting here tomorrow night with a cold front late afternoon into the evening, and this is when we have a chance of severe storms. You notice the Storm Prediction Center has included West Michigan south of I-96 in the slight risk zone for severe weather coming up tomorrow. Big story now, and will be tonight, much of tomorrow with dry weather, is the temperatures. We're at 90 right now. That's just the straight air temperature in Kalamazoo. 90 in Holland also. A little bit of relief here on the lakefront. This is Big Red, 78, but you notice inland at Tulip City we're up to 90. A lot of warm air out there. Dew points, the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. Remember last night when we talked about weather, I warned you. The humidity was on the march. Now we're in the mid-60s, even up to 70 now in Ludington. That means quite sticky, been on the uncomfortable side. Regional view of temperatures shows a ton of heat off here to our west. This is going to continue to truck eastward, and that means we've got an even warmer day coming up tomorrow, perhaps higher humidity levels. Look at these dew points in the mid-70s in Des Moines. This moisture is tracking toward West Michigan. We're going to deal with it tomorrow, so another hot, sticky day, perhaps even stickier than what we have today. This is a current look at heat indices. The feels like temperature. It's kind of like the summer equivalent of wind chill, except instead of using wind and temp, you use humidity level and temperature. Feels like 93 right now in Holland. That is getting to be oppressive. Next 24 hours. Remember what I showed you on radar? That batch of showers, storms? I think the model's wrong. This will stay south of the state line tonight. 95 to 99% of West Michigan stays dry tonight. Just a very small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Tomorrow, most of the morning should be dry, even though tonight will not be good sleeping weather. When I say dry, I mean from rain, not from the humidity. It will be very sticky overnight tonight. Noontime tomorrow, temperatures already well into the 80s. Here's that precursor of the cold front with a few showers, storms in the afternoon. Some of these storms, which aren't showing up very well in the computer model, could be strong to severe, so we'll track that threat very carefully. So hot, muggy tomorrow, high of 90. Slight chance of a storm tonight, but like I said, most of us stay dry. Tomorrow morning, a few showers or storms possible, but most stay dry. The best chance for shower storms coming up Monday evening. Very humid here during the day on Monday, and then more comfortable weather after Monday, as you can see, with temperatures closer to the 80-degree mark, less humid, and then as we get toward next weekend, humid again with high temperatures around 90. At the lakefront for tomorrow, this is your rip current forecast. Low, all three zones. Southwest to west winds 5 to 10 knots and waves 1 to 3 feet.
And those folks who have been asking for summer,
bingo bango. Right here, my friend.
They got it for sure. All right, Kyle, thank you so much.